Hello everyone, this is another LeetCode exercise, and the problem is 2870, minimum number of operations to make an array empty. So the problem is given a zero index array of numbers consisting of positive integers. There are two types of operations, so choose two equal values and delete them, or choose three equal values and delete them. Return the minimum number of operations to delete. So we can apply the following. Apply the first operation on the elements at indexes resulting of an array. Okay. So again, this is classified as medium, but seems very easy. Now, I'm not fully familiar with where is each library, but the first thing that I would do is to count how many items are of each one. So this will be nums dictionary, and it will be something like if this is a valid operation, which I think is not. Import counter from iter tools. Let's see if this is correct. From collections. So let's do it again. Import counter from collections. That's it. So this should be, and here import typing. Probably looks better if we do it the other way around. From typing probably we can import everything from typing, so we don't have to type typing dot lists. Anyway, let's see if this compiles, and this seems to compile. There are two fours, there are 4 twos, 3 twos, and 2 of fours. And for this to be valid, we cannot have a single number that is 1. So we will divide it by 3, and we apply the function not sale, because if there is 3, one operation. If there is 4, with 2 iterations. So fail, therefore, if there is 5, three plus 1 of 2. So if there is 6, 2 operations, 2 multiple. So if there are 7, well, I guess we could have a function with dynamic programming, but this problem is far too easy. Yes. Return the minimal number of operations required to make valid operations are 2 equal values or 3 equal values. I'm going to put it like this because it looks better. Now here I would write it in a snail case, but this is the default. So and here we are going to call it result. So for this will be for each pair in the dictionary. The key is irrelevant because we have no use. Let's call it element. And the result these are my notes, but I think it's easier. I'm going to leave it in the code because it makes it easier for whoever has to read the code to understand what it does. Now I'm not sure if I have to call the library maths for this. But let's see if this compiles. Ah, and of course there is one issue here. Here I should not run the code, I should test cases like an empty one. If it's 1, then the results is if repetitions equal 1, because 0 cannot be, then it cannot be done. And this is why this cannot be done in other type of as a vector. I should have tested this before. This problem again was conspicuously, it was very simple. Can you give me feedback as if this was a Google coding interview? Programming in Python. So let's see what he says. So that is correct. The sail function is in maths. I believe I get this part correct. Minimal operations. I'm going to reject this suggestion because the description already used element. Now I'm going to consider that this was a mistake. Check format here, like assert I'm not sure if this is valid. No, it seems valid. Doesn't really matter if the elements are numbers, but they have to be comparable. And I'm rejecting this suggestion as well. It seems to be properly coded because it's in the top 2. But let's have a look what other people submitted as well. Okay, that's even better. Not sure why they have to solve it in all. Oh my god, I forgot to n is the length of the list, so this is the n because there is counted time, and the space because it could be two of each element. So that was a mistake. Here why the import is inside the function, but that's okay, same idea. I guess I could have called only the values. Fair enough. And probably this is why this code is a bit faster, because it doesn't have to do the normal division.